protein. It is extremely important if your goal is to gain weight, maintain your weight, or even lose weight. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys one way you can get in 50 plus grams of protein at your breakfast. So stay tuned. Protein is extremely important and valuable for our bodies. I'm going to show you guys the shake that I make every single morning, and I want you guys to add and mix in things that fit your macronutrients, that fit your goals, and that'll help you achieve the goals that you want. My morning protein shake. It's going to consist of 54 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrates, and only 2 grams of fat. Already in my scale, I have already put in 50 grams of frozen blueberries. I'm going to add 50 grams of strawberry as well. And I'm going to add 53, clear that scale out, and I'm going to add 50 grams of frozen or banana as well. Sometimes it's frozen, sometimes it's not. That gives me 37 grams. Add a little bit more banana. 51 grams. So I clear the scale out so that I'm back at 0. The next thing I do is I add some water. Not a big fan of adding ice. I add about 6 grams of water to this container. The next thing that I add is this powdered peanut butter. 7 grams of protein. It's a great way to get in the peanut butter taste, the protein, without all of the fat of just traditional peanut butter. So I add this in, a scoop just like that. 17. A serving is 15 grams, so I'm at 17 grams, a little bit over. I'm okay with that. The next thing that I use is this grass-fed collagen peptides from ProMix. I love ProMix because their whole mantra is no artificial flavors, colors, sweeteners, nothing in there, non-GMO. I think it's an extremely clean and effective product. So a serving of this is going to be 22 grams. So that's usually about 2 scoops, which is what a serving is. That's 21 grams, just a little bit more for good measure. So we have that. Next, I add in the ProMix vegan unflavored protein. I like vegan protein because it's a little bit better for my digestion. So 2 scoops is a serving of this. I put a heaping scoop in here because then, again, I'm going by the grams. So I know I have 27 grams and a serving is 30 grams. So a little bit more. And we're at 31 grams of protein there. The last thing that I put into my shake is creatine. Again, it's from ProMix. Again, it's a product and company that I think is extremely clean. And I've been using their products for, I want to say, over a year now. So a serving of the creatine is 5 grams. You don't have to dose it. It's effective to take every day. And that is my shake. I'm going to blend it up and then I'll come back and show you exactly what it looks like. There you guys have it. This is the morning shake. It tastes delicious. 54 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrates, and only 2 grams of fat. Bon appetit.